Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error with the error code 0x80073CFB on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, be it any Microsoft Store error, I usually stick to two solutions. One is to reset its cache, so it's easy. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and then reopen it. Okay, and the next solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store. Now we have a specific PowerShell command for it. Just copy it and search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane and paste it here. Hit enter. Now what does it mean by re-registering the Microsoft Store? So the Microsoft Store cannot be deleted or uninstalled, and I mean there is a way to do it, but the official way to reinstall it, to re-register it, it will kind of uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft Store on your computer, and thus any issue related to it will be rectified. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.